So today we will talk about the OSMART scheme, and this is basically for the oceanographic research and set up early warning system at the ocean basically to forecast the weather, and it will help basically to predict the weather, and we can prevent the landslide, floods and earthquakes, and as you know recently the basically cyclone. If you talk about, so as you know very well that recently the cabinet seated and approved the following scheme. So one of them is the OSMART scheme. Let's talk about. So as I have told you that why in news recently the cabinet approved the continuation of umbrella scheme known as the OSMART. If you talk about the full form, then Ocean Services Modeling Application Resource and Technology is known as the OSMART scheme for the implementation period during the 2021. So remember that this is the implementation period. Originally it was launched in August 2018. So this is one of the important point. If you talk about the scheme, as I have told you that OSMART encompasses the oceanographic research. So there will be a research in water and basically in the India's exclusive economic zone. So this is very important. If you talk about and aim at set up the early warning weather system basically to forecast the weather, or if any of the mishappening in future will come, then through this we can predict like the landslides, floods, earthquakes and cyclone, as you know, which hits very severely to this country. So remember that. If you talk about, there are the 7 sub scheme under the OSMART scheme. If you talk about, there are the ocean technology, ocean modeling and advisory services, Ocean Observation Network, Ocean Non-Living Resources, Marine Living Resources and Ecology, and Coastal Research Operation and Maintenance of Research Vessels. So on these 7 sub-schemes, there will be a research data analysis basically on the exclusive economic zone. Now we'll talk about the further about the OSMART scheme. If you further talk about the OSMART scheme, then remember that Ministry of Earth Sciences is the nodal implementing body of this OSMART scheme. So remember that. If you talk about, it aims at addressing the ocean development activities such as the technology. As you know, technology is the requirement. If you talk about the services, then the resource available. As you know, there are the polymetallic modules in the news. If you talk about related to the ocean, so that is the resources. Gas is the very important which can be found. If you talk about the science, observation as well as offering required technological assistance for the blue economy. Blue economy is basically which is related to the ocean or water like fish. So this is related to the blue economy. So this is very important if you talk about. So this is what is the meaning. So now objectives. If you talk about the objective, now it has the very broad objective. So first is the to generate and regularly update information on non-living resources and their relationship with the physical environment in the Indian exclusive economic zone. So remember that. So what is the main important issue? Basically to generate the information about the living resources and the non-living resources. As you know, the coral reefs are in very danger, and whatever is available, if there is any new species, then India should have the water, or if anything which is found in the India's exclusive economic zone, then India must have data. What do you mean by the exclusive economic zone? So if you talk about, there are some international seabird authority and which recognize the information. So if this is India, if you talk about, then in the ocean there are this certain part in all around which is connecting border connecting to the ocean, then that is known as the exclusive economic zone. If you talk about, so this is one of the main objectives, to periodically monitor levels of seawater pollutant. Either there are some pollutants coming in the seawater which might be danger for any living or non-living resources, or either it might be to danger to human as well. So this is very important, to develop the state of the art of the ocean observation system. So it is very important. Why it is important? Basically to forget, and this is strategically is very important basically to monitor the China Sea, either if any adventure may done by the Pakistan, or if any of the country in the Indian Ocean as well, which is one of the prime objective you can say under the OSMART mission and Deep Ocean mission as well. If you further talk about the OSMART scheme objective, then remember that to develop the high resolution of technology of ocean forecast. So as I told you that forecast is basically help to control the flood, earthquakes, cyclone, and these are the things which can be controlled through the ocean forecast. Basically one of the origination lies in the ocean. So this is very important, to develop the algorithm for the validation of satellite data and monitor changes in the coastal research. So Now the conditions are continuously changing in the ocean. So some data favor today time and another data might be changed so for another time. So there will be to develop technology which actually validate this satellite data which is sent from the space. So this is very important if we talk about. Another objective is to develop technology to tap the bioresource and generate fresh water and ocean energy and develop underwater vehicles and technology. So as you know, if you talk about India is day by day is the water deficit country and it continuously increasing in India. So it will help to develop that kind of technology which can give you the fresh water in the future, because the demand of the fresh water and if you take the water is the continuously growing in India if you talk about. So this is very helpful, and this will also help in electricity generation through the thermal power if you talk about. Then remember that another is the establishment of the blast water treatment facility. If we talk about, this is a kind of treatment which is given to done away with the invasive species, some kind of invasive species which comes in the ocean, in the agriculture and in the some areas which can destroy the environment, and that is the what is the nature of invasive species. So create this such kind of blast water treatment facility if you talk about. As I have told you earlier that it will also help in the exploration of polymetallic nodule. If you talk about, it is also in the deep ocean mission. If you talk about, one of the main objective of ocean exploration is to find out the polymetallic nodule, which is the very important resource. If you talk about the China, why China is so powerful, one of the reason is the resources, because China has so many resources. So through this smart scheme, India will explore the polymetallic nodule. And if you talk about the polymetallic nodule, then the manganese, copper, nickel, cobalt, iron, lead and zinc. And if you talk about further, then aluminum is the there that kind of polymetallic. If found, then India will be the exclusive in the economic zone. If you talk about, it will help in achieving the Sustainable Development Goal 14 decided by the United Nations to conserve and sustainable use the ocean, seas and marine resources. So this is one of the way. So if you talk about the OSMART scheme, then this is the one phase of the scheme which lead to this further exploration and oceanographic research and activity. The another is the strategic importance. If you talk about the China, then China is heavily coming in the Indian Ocean, and it might be in future which can cause damage in water Indian Ocean, and it can lead to conflict with the India. So through this OSMART mission and Deep Indian Ocean mission, if you talk about, it can help if the India has the data or everything related to the Indian Ocean in their exclusive economic zone. And remember that it will also help in the Indian exclusive zone, basically to claim more exclusive economic zone if found by the India. So this is very important. What is the summary of this video? If you talk about, remember that OSMART scheme comes under the Ministry of Earth Sciences, is the implementing body of this scheme. What is the main aim? Main aim basically to oceanographic research and aimed at establishment of early weather warning system which can help to forecast the floods, cyclone, earthquake and further activities related to the environment and will lead to damage. So thank you guys, hope you will like this video.